you. Everybody wants you, huh? Does everybody want you, little one? Huh? Look at this. Look at her. So here's the little girl that I rescued and brought her in yesterday. And apparently everybody wants her. Everybody wants her. Look at her. Look at her. She's skin and bones, which she still is. But isn't this darling? Isn't she beautiful? Under a cinder block, and the mother abandoned her. I waited 4 whole days for your mama to come. 4 days. I'm so glad. If I would have waited 1 more day, they said you wouldn't have made it. You wouldn't have made it. And it's her cuteness. She turned her cuteness on, and everybody here wants her. Everybody here wants her. In fact, one of the vet assistants here has her cousin. Oh my goodness. So, just saving 1 life. 1 life. Look at you, baby. Look at you. Look at you. So that's why I was late the other night, because I had to come in and feed this little one and snuggle her. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, baby. Baby. Okay. I don't know what they've named her, but they've established it's a her. And look at this. Wow, she's purring so loud, her little head's vibrating. Isn't she cute, you guys? She is just adorable, isn't she? Oh, you're gonna love to be loved, aren't you, baby? Huh? Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad, honey. Okay, I need to pick her up now, give her some kisses. But there you go. There you go. You gonna say goodbye? Are you gonna say goodbye, little baby? Huh? You gonna say goodbye?